Electric cars are taking over the roads, fast, quiet, and futuristic. But what's really going on underneath the hood? Forget gas, no pistons, no exhaust. Just a motor, spinning silently with serious power. What is an EV motor? At the core is a motor that turns electricity into motion, using magnets and copper coils. Unlike gas engines with explosions and dozens of moving parts, EV motors are simple. One spinning rotor inside a magnetic field. Elegant and brutally effective. The main motor types. There are three main types. PMSM, Permanent Magnet Synchronous Motors. Super efficient, great for city driving. Induction motors, used in older Teslas. Tough, lower cost, slightly less efficient. Switched reluctance. Loud, durable, and rare. Think commercial use. Most modern EVs lean on PMSMs for their smooth power delivery and range. How it spins. Here's the magic. AC current flows into the stator coils, creates a spinning magnetic field, pulls the rotor along. Boom, you've got motion. And it's all powered by a battery plus inverter converting DC to three-phase AC. Instant torque and regenerative braking. EVs don't build power, they deliver it instantly. That's why you feel that punch as soon as you touch the pedal. No gears, no delay, just torque right away. And when you slow down, the motor switches roles, acting as a generator, putting energy back into the battery. That's regenerative braking. Quick recap. EV motors use magnetic fields to spin. Most use PMSMs or induction motors. You get instant torque, high efficiency, and smart braking. It's quiet, clean power, and it's changing how we drive. Enjoyed that breakdown? Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What part of EV tech should we unpack next? Thanks for watching, and drive electric.